Despite being lightweight, when engineered correctly, aluminium can achieve a very high strength to weight ratio and withstand a significant amount of weight and stress without breaking. Just think of an aircraft. Because it is lightweight, you are able to take more gear without exceeding your gross vehicle mass rating. Aluminium is also corrosion resistant and requires very little maintenance over its lifetime. The cantilever roof rack has a dynamic load rating of 200 kgs and a static load rating of 600 kg. The dynamic load rating refers to the amount of load you can safely carry when you need to stop quickly at open road speeds, like an accident, whereas static load ratings refer to the amount of weight you can put on the rack when the ute is parked, like a rooftop tent with people inside. UteMaster tests the strength of canopies in several different ways to ensure it meets the high standards for strength, durability, and safety. To see how much weight a Centurion canopy can safely support without bending or breaking, UteMaster performs a static load test. This test involves placing extremely heavy weights on top of the canopy and gradually increasing the load until failure occurs. A static test is only about how much weight the canopy can support while sitting still, like a rooftop tent with people in it. Believe it or not, some advertised load ratings are actually static ratings, which do not accurately show what a canopy can carry while in motion. Now, dynamic load testing is about putting the canopy through a series of tests in real-life scenarios at open road speeds. They use the jigs and winches to apply force to the canopy from different angles and directions to test its overall strength and structural integrity. This testing helps ensure the canopy can withstand all working conditions while moving. UteMaster have a special rig that replicates the vibrations of traveling on rugged roads. The result is a whole new level of performance and driver comfort. The Centurion canopy has a robust bracing system throughout the canopy. This bracing transfers the force of the load on your roof down to the load bearing points inside your tub. This improves the overall strength of the canopy, which is especially important when the canopy is going to be subjected to heavy loads.